Good morning to you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Today is Monday, June the 7th. Excuse me, day after D-Day. We'll call the docket, starting off case number 555138, State versus Christopher Castro.
I'm present, Your Honor. The attorney, not the defendant.
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess it'd be best if I didn't use you as a defendant. Joshua Vega. Christopher Castro is attorney of record. Have you heard from Mr. Vega?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is he present?
I'm not too sure, Your Honor. I'm logged in my phone. I can't see who's in here. I spoke with him today. He said he would be logging in. I am.
All right, as of right now, he's absent.
I think that's him, Judge. He's connecting to audio. That's him, Joshua.
Joshua
Your
Vega.
Honor,
Okay, we got you.
Mr. Vega
All right.
is connected.
All right. 587781, State versus Sandy Sustaita, and that is Alma Benavides.
Good morning, Honor.
Good morning.
She has 3 cases in your court, Your Honor, and I have made multiple attempts to reach her, and I have not been able to make contact with her.
We didn't ask Mr. Castro what he wanted to do today.
Mr. Castro, I'm sorry. My coordinator just pointed out, what is it that you're doing today?
I have an MTR here at the 437th. I'm actually in the witness room. They haven't started, so I thought I'd log in and just update the court, see if I can confer.
Confer, you'll be number 1 for conferring if you're available. All right, Ms.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Benavides, I'll note that Ms. Sustaita is absent. We'll give you 1 week to produce her. Recall 1 week.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Let's see. 615858, State versus Helmut Towns. And that
Morning,
is-
Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Towns.
Mr. Towns is listed as Chrome user. He
I
is
noticed
here.
that. He's waving at me and Chrome 0S or 05 user.
That's it, Judge. And we just need a trial setting on Mr. Towns's case.
All right, set for trial. Mr. Brooks, Mr. Towns, thank you for showing up time. You're excused.
Thank you, Judge. You'll have a good day.
You too. Scheduled for 1:30 p.m. 616628, State versus Jaime Feliciano, and that is Ivan Barrera. Ivan Barrera, attorney. That's not like him, but okay. Ivan Barrera
Judge, that's at 1:30.
is 1:30. 623864, State versus Yolanda Salais, and that's Engelke, Keith Engelke. Mr. Engelke is noted no answer, and so is Ms. Salais. 626087, State versus Javier Mendoza, and that's Dave Sanchez. Dave Sanchez,
Judge, he's here with me. We're present.
I see you. All right. What are you doing today?
Judge, I received a dash cam video Friday afternoon. I also have not received breath test discovery just yet, but I did receive a bill from Debbie Stevens' office by fax on Friday. I'll be getting her payment so that I can get my discovery.
All right. That's a long way of saying what is it you want to do today?
I guess I need one last continuance. This is probably going to end up on a motion to suppress docket at some point. So.
Your Honor, he said continuance. I think he means reset.
Yes, sir. Reset 30 days.
All right, Judge, thanks. Maybe excused?
You both may be. Yes, sir. Thank you. Six three three five nine nine State versus Noel Payne. And
morning, sir.
Jessica Gonzalez is the attorney.
Yes, sir. I'm here at the courthouse, sir.
All right, Mr. Payne is present. Ms.
I'm sorry.
Jessica Gonzalez is not answering at this point. 639934 State versus Joseph Connors, and that is Sean Brown.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Oriel, Mr. Sean Brown, and Mr. Connors is present.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, Mr. Brown, what are your wishes for today, your intentions?
And Judge, I've spoken with Mr. Edelman on this case. We're just awaiting the blood discovery. I haven't received any notification yet from the DA's office, which isn't, it's about the time period when we would get it from when it was filed. It'll probably be here within the next couple of weeks. Mr. Edelman usually is pretty good at letting me know once it's in. So we're just awaiting that blood discovery from the lab.
All right, so we'll go, Mr. Edelman, Mr. Brown, you'll want 2 weeks or 30 days?
Just to be safe, Judge, 30 days is fine with me if Mr. Edelman's okay with that.
I'm fine with it, sir.
All right, 30 days. Y'all are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good week.
You too. 647824 State versus Gerardo Longoria, and that is Angela Blake, his attorney.
Yeah, I'm here. I don't know about it. Can you hear me?
Miss,
She texted me she's in another court.
what's that?
She's in
Oh, yeah, Gerardo Longoria, I'm right here.
Miss Blake is in another court today. We'll have to wait for her, Mr. Longoria.
Okay.
Thank you for being here on time.
Sure.
We'll have to stick around and see when Miss Blake is available.
So I just stay on here?
Yes, sir. Just stay on.
Okay.
647928 State versus Brandon Flores, and that's
I'm not here on that, Your
Nathaniel
Honor.
Navy. Pardon me?
I'm present on that, Your Honor. I believe my client should be here, Mr. Brandon Flores.
I'm here as well.
Very good.
If we
And
may,
you
Your
are-
Honor, if I could confer with the state.
You're on the Navy?
Confer with the state?
Yes, ma'am, but you're, what is your name?
Lauren, it's me, Lauren Carrington Smythe.
Okay. Are you here on behalf of Navy or are you?
I'm here for Brandon Flores.
Yes, ma'am, I understand that, but we show on the docket, we show Nathaniel Navy as the attorney of record.
Oh, no, I don't think so. I filed a motion, I think a notice of appearance.
Ms.
Pretty
Smythe,
recently.
are you hired or you?
I'm hired, Your Honor.
Okay, well, okay, then we shall note that, make sure that you are the attorney of record. You want to confer, you said.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All righty, I've got you number 2 for conferring. Thank you, ma'am. 652637 State versus Luis Sanchez, and that is Kirala, Monica Kirala, attorney. Luis Sanchez, shown absent. Monica Kirala, also not present. 653572 State versus Stephen Fisher, and Cecil Bain is attorney of record.
Present, Your Honor. I believe my client's here.
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Already. Cecil, what are you doing today?
Good morning, Judge. We'd like to confer, if possible.
Absolutely. You'd be number 3 on the conferring list. Thank you. 656546 State versus Nicholas Rodriguez, and that's Jesse Rivera as attorney of record. Nicholas Rodriguez. Mark absent. Jesse Rivera, no answer. 656-732, State versus Aaron Arachi. And that is Jesus Vargas, is attorney of record.
Present, Judge, and my client's here.
Where's
I'm
he
not
at?
sure if there's a court
I'm here,
file
Judge.
available yet.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, you don't have your name on there, this is iPhone.
Yes, sir.
You
That's
wear
me, sir.
White t-shirt,
Yes, sir.
glasses, okay, then you are present. Thank you for being on time. Mr. Vargas, what's happening?
Good morning, Judge. I'm not sure if the court's got a file here yet. It happened in March and it was a blood draw. And I don't know if we even have the blood test results yet.
We do and we don't. There was a BAC of 0.01, so the sample is being retained for additional toxicological testing. So there is still no charging instrument as of today.
So I guess we need a reset, Your Honor.
Mr. Edelman, talk to me about this after a while. And we'll give you a 2-week recall, Mr. Vargas. Is that all right with you?
2 weeks. I'm just.
June 21st.
June 21st.
Yes, June 21st would be fine.
All right. Hopefully we have this matter somewhat settled down, or the dust settled a little bit. Thank you. Y'all are excused.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
You too. 656-813, State versus Ryan Vela. And that's Tim Roundtree. Ryan Vela.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Vela. And Mr. Roundtree, where are you, Tim?
He was just here. I'm not sure if he dropped.
Mr. Roundtree is not present. Just stick around, Mr. Vela.
Yes, sir.
657-449, State versus Bruno Muratti. And that is Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am present, and so is Mr. Murati. We'd like to confer with the state, if possible.
All right, so of course it is. We'll mark you number 4.
Thank you, Judge.
657-466, State versus Maria Ramos, Maria Ramos Espinosa.
Present.
And that's
I'm
Julie
present.
Pollack.
I'm present for her.
Where are you?
I think we need to confer, but I have to be in the district court at 9 o'clock. So if I could come back.
Absolutely. Good to see you, Ms. Pollack.
And I have another case, I think right under her, Buckley, Kaylee.
I'm present, Judge.
Right after the next one, Judge.
Zach, what is the name?
Buckley.
Kaylee Buckley.
I got you. All right, 657-733, State versus Kaylee Buckley. Ms. Pollack is present. I heard Ms. Buckley reply.
Yes, sir. I'm present.
All right, now, Ms. Pollack, how about Ramos Espinosa? Did she answer?
I'm present.
Okay, you're in the dark. I can't see you.
So
But-
if it's all right with you, Judge, I'll be right back.
All right, I'm marking you number 5 for conferring on Ramos Espinosa. Are you wishing to confer on Buckley also?
Yes, Judge, I think that's going to be set for trial, but I'll confirm.
Your Honor,
Yes?
the case with Kaylee Buckley has been dismissed.
All right.
Dismissed. As usual, there was a tremendous defense by Ms. Pollack.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Am I okay to leave the chat?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
657-690, State versus Daniel Rubalcaba. Although I suspect that Rubalcaba, is that Mark LaHood?
Yes, sir. It's Rubalcaba.
Is Rubalcaba in it?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you? Is it V like Victor Or-
Yes, V like Victor. RUVA LCABA.
Okay. Rule. Have you heard from your attorney, Mr. LaHood?
He's online. I see him here.
I believe Mr. Fulks from the LaHood office is here.
All right, hold on a second. There you go. My computer went haywire for a little bit, which is not unusual, by the way. So, all right, Mark is present. I don't hear you, Mark, but Mr. Rubalcaba has answered for him.
It's Justin Folks. He's on, but he's muted right now.
Oh, yes, Your Honor, I'm here on that case. Good morning.
Justin Folks, you're here on Rubalcaba.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And what are you doing today? What do you?
Your Honor, I'm still conferring on this case with the state via email. I was just wondering if we could reset.
All right, you're essentially number 7 to confer.
He asked for a reset.
I'm sorry, what did you say, Mr. Folks? I thought you were saying.
I was wondering if I could get a short reset, Your Honor. I've been conferring with the state via email. I think we're able to work this case out in the next 2-3 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes, Your Honor.
We call 2 weeks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Rubalcaba, you come back in 2 weeks, please.
Okay, sounds good.
Judge Longoria. Thank you.
Judge Longoria, this is Tim Roundtree. I think you might have called Mr. Vela, my client, while I was on another Zoom. I'm here now.
Yes, we did, and you were not present, but I am marking you present now. What are your intentions today, Mr. Roundtree?
Your Honor, I'd like a 30-day reset. I'm still working through the discovery.
Okay, discovery. 30 days. Mr. Edelman, what's the story on this particular discovery?
I have no idea, Your Honor, because I don't believe we have ever conferred with defense counsel, so I don't know what has been produced and what still needs to be produced.
Mr. Roundtree, I'm going to put you number 8 to confer. I want you to clarify that a little bit.
Number 6.
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
Number 6, Judge.
658-370 State versus Jose Marin, and that is John Robinson.
I am present, Your Honor.
Who is?
I am Jose Marin.
Okay, Mr. Marin, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And Mr. Robinson. No answer on Mr. Robinson at this time.
Your Honor, Mr. Robinson is signed in, but his video seems to be off and his microphone is muted.
Hello, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Yes, sir. I believe my client is present as well.
He's already answered.
Ah, okay. Thank you, Mr. Edelman, for the assistance earlier.
Welcome.
I'd like to speak with the prosecutor on the issue.
All right, sir. You're on the list. 658-790 State versus Reinero Cruz Garcia, and that is Jesse Sanchez.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
I'm sorry?
He's here in the courtroom.
Okay. That is Reinero
Yes, sir.
Cruz Garcia, courtroom. What about Mr. Jesse Sanchez, attorney? No answer. Six 527 in jail. All right, we're probably going to just Attorney Michael Latimer.
Yes, good morning, Judge Longoria.
Okay, we did not call your client because he's got 2 felonies pending.
Yes, he does. I would like to know who the ADA is on handling this case.
That is 660-527 Juan Carlos Salinas. Who's in charge of that one, Mr. Edelman or Ms. Morgan?
That'd be Ms. Morgan, Your Honor.
Okay.
Although either of us are available to confer on it if that's what defense counsel wants to do.
No, I just need the name because I have to talk to the prosecutors in the 379. They don't do pre-indictment, so I'll be contacting them.
All right, and you're excused at this time, sir.
Thank you, Ron. Take care.
660-568, State versus Keenan, England, and that is Javier Padilla, is attorney.
Morning, Judge.
This
He's here in the
gentleman, the defendant also has, yes, ma'am, Ms. Castillo?
He's here in the courtroom, Judge. He's present in the courtroom.
All right, courtroom. And are we talking about Javier Padilla? Or are we talking about the defendant?
The defendant is here.
All right. Javier Padilla, attorney? No answer. I know. 660-605, State versus Victor de la Torre. Victor de la Torre, Adam Cobbs, his attorney. Neither one is present, or neither is answering. Then we have 660-611, State versus Ashley Ross Cassell, and that is Everett Kreider III.
Present, Your Honor. This is our first setting in this case. I have not been able to contact my client. I would be asking that you please give us a week so that I can find her.
Recall 1 week.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Mr. Kreider. You're excused at this time. Add-ons. All right, we have two add-ons to the docket. One for 2 o'clock and one for 2:30. The 2 o'clock one is 646-514. Lauren Carol Hatherall, and that's Sean LeBaron is attorney. And then at 2:30 is 626-613, Chastity Yvette Gathers, and that's Loretta Hewitt. Those are 2 and 2:30. Nobody here? Okay. That's the docket for this morning. How many of you are here now that did not answer when I called the docket? Anybody want to speak up at this point so I can mark you present instead of issuing a warrant?
Yes, sir. I do got a question. I believe I have 2 cases in this court today. I was only called for 1.
Ordinarily, if we have 2 cases, we'll call 1. We make note that there are 2.
And I want to make sure y'all called my name, Joshua Vega.
Joshua Vega.